Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the Honda Pilot middle seat. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the entire process, from gathering your tools to safely storing the seat. We'll cover essential safety tips and ensure you understand each step for a smooth experience. Get ready to transform your vehicle's interior with confidence and ease, making more space for cargo or other needs. Before you begin, it's crucial to prepare your workspace and gather the right tools. You'll typically need a socket wrench set, possibly with a 14mm or 17mm socket, and a trim removal tool to avoid damaging interior panels. Always refer to your Honda Pilot's owner's manual for precise instructions and torque specifications. Clearing the area ensures you have ample room to work safely. Now let's get to the removal. Begin by locating and unbolting the four main seat anchors, usually found at the base of the seat. If your seat has electrical components, carefully disconnect any wiring harnesses. Once unbolted, tilt the seat back and carefully lift it out of the vehicle. Remember, these seats can be heavy, so don't hesitate to ask for help to prevent injury. When you're ready to reinstall, carefully align the seat with its mounting points and reattach any electrical connectors. Securely tighten all bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. If you're storing the seat, choose a dry, safe location to prevent damage. Always perform a final check to ensure the seat is properly secured and all functions like seat belts are working correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.